Hi guys! Today I'm going to be sharing with you something I call a mascara sandwich. So the reason why this comes about is you might want to add a touch of colour to your eyelashes, and sometimes people might think this is a little bit too intense. So what I usually suggest is that you put a layer of either brown or black mascara on first. Then you apply a blue or a green even. This is the green one. And then you top it off with another coat of brown or black. So I've already got one coat of brown mascara on. I'm just going to show you the application of the blue. So I've just wet this Cake Mascara, a nice coating on. Just going to apply it. Remove the excess. Then I'm going to get my brown. And I would suggest you just let the coats dry in between each coat. So this is how you create a mascara sandwich. So you start with either a black or a brown mascara, then you put in a blue or a green, and then finish with either the black or the brown. It adds a nice shade to the lashes, especially with the black. It makes it a blue black. So I hope you have a happy Easter wherever you may be, and it's bye for now.